Okay, so here we are using the, what's it called? It's called Platformio. Okay, so we're using basically a command line interface here, working in C++, but I'm using it in a pretty C way. Let's see, we're gonna download and run that. The configuration is, that's a Feather M4 Express, which is the Cortex M4. This is a Boss FS5U, which is just a momentary switch, which I've plugged in, and then I'm using that directly on my breadboard to indicate that the user is pressing down. That's using a pull-up resistor, so the circuit is very, very simple. Let's see. So here's what we see here. Blup, 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 blup. Okay, now did we do that? Okay, so we're going to recompile and send it down. When that goes green, yeah, there it is. It's being coded. Now, the pace of the red light is a function of how many times we're going through the loop. And then the other LED, which is the 2.2 millimeter Neopixel, I'm turning that to blue every time the user pushes down. So double, long, single. Cool. All right, well, thanks for watching.